Hello YouTubers, this is a video about how to set the correct word time on your Casio G-Shock Carbon Core GA-2000. For me, the analog is showing the time in London, UK, and the digital is showing the time in Bangkok, Thailand. Press and hold the reset button until the word swap starts flashing and you hear a little beep. This will swap the two time zones. Now the analog will show the time in Bangkok. After this, you will have to press and hold the adjust button to go into settings. Once you are in settings, press the mode button once. Now you can switch the daylight savings on or off. Press the reset button to do that. Once that's done, press the adjust button to go back to timekeeping mode. And then we just swap the two time zones again by pressing the reset button. Now it shows the correct time in Bangkok. Please comment if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.